For doing what? Y'all can't even tell me what I did. You can't tell me what I did. It doesn't matter that I'm not going.
You're yelling at him. You're keeping up everybody. Please leave so we can go on.
I'm lifting on my jacket so you can put the cuffs on me. Because what did I do? You do it. You do it. Come cuff me. Miss what? I'm going to miss my flight for what? Who did I offend? Regular hand if I offend
Everybody.
right here.
Right here.
What did I do to you? What did I say?
You better not say shit to me.
Let
me now. You should be offending
Who
your
did I
goddamn
offend?
self. You
Anybody
should
else?
be ashamed of yourself.
Before that, then what?
Shut your mouth and sit down or go get locked up.
I didn't do shit.
You're doing it now, though. You tripping.
So now everybody gonna suffer.
No, that's bullshit.
No, that's
You
bullshit.
suck.
Because one person complains, so now what's up?
No, listen, you out your motherfucking mind. I don't feel like no carrot ass shit up in this motherfucker.